z is equal to 0 and x plus y plus z is equal to 1. So here it is z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. Okay. So it is given as x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. So now we have to put the limiting value, and to find out the limiting value for the domain and the last integral. For the domain, we have to find out the x-intercept and y-intercept and z-intercept first. Then we draw our figure. What is the x-intercept? Value of x-intercept? Tell me. X-intercept, quick. Y and z 0. So what is the value x? That is 1, 0, 0. Y-intercept, that is your 0, 1, 0. Z-intercept, you know, already I had done this type. So it is 0, 0, 1. So here it is 1, 1, 0, 0. Here it is 0, 1, 0. Here it is 0, 0, 1. Okay, this is the figure. Now here, z lies from 0 to z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. First go for this surface. I already told you, first go for the limiting value for this surface, then for the plane, then for the constant one. That is your double integration over the domain, means for the plane and then constant one. Then here in xy plane, z is equal to 0. So we get x plus y is equal to 1. This implies y is equal to 1 minus x. So y lies from 0 to, y lies from, it is 0, 0, y lies from 0 to 1 minus on the plane, xy plane. This is your x, this is your y, this is your z. So on the xy plane, y lies from 0 to 1 minus x. It is functional value. So x must be constant. X lies from where to where? X lies from where to where? X lies from where to where? X must be constant. X lies from where to where?
0 to 1.
Yes. So x lies from so now E we can write down here as E we can write down, that is your x, y, z. So x lies from 0 to 1. Then it is your y lies from 0 is less than equal to y is less than equal to, it is a function of x. If you combine this double integration, it is the domain. So it is, we get here it is for the type 1. So then third z lies from 0 is less than equal to z is less than equal to 1 minus x minus 1. It is for the surface, it is for the plane, and it is for the line. Okay, like this you have to write down your E, the region, then you integrate. Then you integrate, triple integration, write down triple integration E z E v is equal to 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus x, then 0 to 1 minus x minus y, then it is your z, the value it is for the y, so dz first, this is for z, then dy dx, integrate. Now I'm doing here it is, so it is z square by 2, 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus x, z square by 2, limiting value 0 to 1 minus x minus y, then dy dx. So this is equal to now your value 0 to 1, then 0 to 1 minus x, 1 minus x minus y whole square divided by 2, then it is dy dx. Put 1 minus x minus y is equal to t. So dy to find out, so minus dy is equal to dt. So it is your dy minus dt. So if I can write down, it is a 0 to 1, then integration g, don't put the limiting value. Here it is your t square by 2 and it is negative, then dt dx. So we get it is t6 by minus of t6 by 3. So I can write down it is 0 to 1 minus of t3 by 6. So t3 by 6 it is 0. I can put the value 1 minus x minus y. So I can write down it is minus 1 minus x minus y to the power 3 divided by, and that is your 6. Then limiting value, now I am writing the limiting value, that is 0 to 1 minus x. So here by substitute and dx. By substituting 1 minus x first, we'll get it is 0. When I'll put y is equal to 0, we'll get it is 1 minus x, and minus minus plus. So I'll get here it is 0 to 1, 1 minus x to the power 3 divided by 6. Then it is your dx. So again you put 1 minus x as t, then we get it is our minus. Again we get here is, I'm writing directly here, minus of 1 minus x to the power 4. If you put it is t, then after substituting the value of t, we will get it is 4, then divided by, it is divided by 4, so it is 24. Limiting value is 0 to 1. So my value is now, it is 0. When you put 1, we'll get it is 0. When you put it is 0, we'll get 1. So minus minus plus, my answer is 1 by 2. Okay. So now here, your exercise problem is, your classwork problem is 6-19. Classwork problem 6-19 and assignment is your 7-20. Assignment is your 7-20. So now here I'm going to do the question number 6. All of you have written? All of you have written? What happened to you all?
Yes.
All of you have written? It is completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to erase. I say you have to go fast to complete our course. What I say? Question number 6-19. Question number 6, very easy one. Evaluate the iterated integral. Evaluate the iterated integral. That is your triple integration. Direct question 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to root over of 1 minus z square z by 1 plus y dx dz dy. Okay, it is given. So here 0 to 1 minus z square, it is the value for x. X lies in between. 0 is less than equal to x is less than equal to root over of 1 minus z square. Okay. Then z lies in between. 0 is less than equal to z is less than equal to 1. 0 is less than equal to y is less than equal to 1. Your surface is your x on the positive side of the x-axis, and your plane is your yz plane. Okay, so now you do it. What I'll get? This is equal to 0 to 1, 0 to 1. That is your only x. X, the limiting value 0 to root over of 1 minus z square, then z by 1 plus y, then dz dy. Okay, so I can write down this is your 0 to 1. It is the value for y, so I can write down it is separate as dy. Then 0 to 1, it is the value for z, so I can write down del z root over by substituting the value of x, will get it is 1 by, so it is a root over of 1 minus z square dz. I can write down the value, it is okay. It is I can write down in this way. So here, what will do? 1 minus z square is equal to put 1 minus z square is equal to t. Okay, so minus 2z dz is equal to dt. So z dz is equal to minus dt by 2. So I can write down here it is equal to 0 to 1 dy. So we'll get it is our 1. By substituting the value here y 0 to 1, we get only 1. Now here it is the integration. I'm not writing 0 to 1. When I'll put the value of t, then I'll write down it is 0 to 1. Then we'll get it is your minus dt by 2. Then it is your t root t to the power half. Okay, so it is your 1. So integration here t is to the power half. So it is t to the power minus half. I'm writing directly. It is negative sign. So t to the power 3 by 2. T to the power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. So sorry. This cancel out. This is not. So we have the now I can write down it is minus t to the power 3 by 2. I can write down it is as your value 1 minus z square to the power 3 by 2. The limiting value it is 1 by 3. The limiting value is our 0 to 1. So when I'll put 1, it will become 0. When I'll put 0, it will become 1. So what is my answer? 1 by 3. Ln y plus 1 to the power, sorry. Y by 1, y plus 1 it is. It is your y 1 by y plus 1 dy. So here it is your ln y plus 1. When I'll put the 1, then I'll get it is ln 2, sorry. It is your ln 2 into this value. Here ln 2 into this value. Here ln 2 by 3. Okay, it is clear? It is clear? It is over.
Yes.
All of now, question number 19. Use a triple integral to find the volume of the tetrahedron enclosed by the coordinate plane and the plane. Enclosed by the coordinate plane and the plane, 2x plus y plus z is equal to 4. So now First, you find out your intercept x, y, z. So x-intercept is x-intercept is yz equal to 0. What is the value? X lies from
0 to
0 to
2.
yes. So it is x-intercept 2, y-intercept
4.
yes, z-intercept
4.
okay, and z is equal to your value 4 minus 2x minus y. Okay. So now you know already done this type of problem. Already done this type of problem. What do you write down? First we go for the surface. So z lies from where to where? Go for the E. You can write down this as x, y, z. Okay. So go for this surface. Z lies from where to where? Z lies from where to where?
0 to 4 plus 2.
Yes, 0 is less than equal to z is less than equal to 4 minus 2x minus y. Okay? First we go for the surface. Then we go for the plane. That is our xy plane. XY plane, that is your value 2x plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to this implies y is equal to 4 minus 2x. So y lies from where to where? You can write down x is equal to also. Type 2 method you can do for the double integral. So here it is x lies from where to where? Y lies from. Tell me. Y lies
0 to
yes.
4 minus
Yes. Then x lies from
0 to 2.
yes. X is less than equal to 2, 0 is less than equal to. Okay. So we write down our E, that region, in this way. Then we integrate triple integration over E, that is your function of x, y, z, that is the value dv. Now find the volume of the tetrahedron, the question is given. So what you write down here, it is function, it is z is equal to, it is given, and we are putting the limiting value z is equal to, it rise from here to here. So here, in triple integration, we put the value, it is 0 to 1, 0 to 4 minus 2x, then 0 to 4 minus 2x minus y, then we integrate dz, it is dy, then dx. After that, you can do, after that, like the jump pole, you can do it or not?
Yes.
Okay. So your answer here, it is 16 by 3. Do yourself. Do yourself. Answer is 16 by 3. If it is not possible, then you can ask me. Now we proceed for the next article. That is your 15.8. 15.8. Triple integrals in cylindrical coordinates. Triple integrals in cylindrical coordinates. before going to that cylindrical coordinate, we already know relationship between the polar coordinate and the Cartesian coordinate. But polar coordinate, we know it is your x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and your tan theta is equal to, that is y by x, and your r square is equal to your x square plus y square. All this. In the case of cylindrical coordinate here, it is in the three-dimensional system, coordinate system called the cylindrical coordinate, that is similar to the polar coordinate. So here you see the figure. It is your xy plane. Say it is your, say this is your r. From this r, draw a parallel line to the z axis. That is the point P. We can say it is your r, and this angle is theta. R theta z, polar coordinate. R theta, that is for the domain. R theta, it is xy, and it is z, and z as it is. So it is P r theta z. That point we can, in the Cartesian form, the rectangular coordinate, we can say it is your x, y, z. The rectangular coordinate, we can say it is x, y, z. This point we can say it is your P of x, y, 0, and it is P of r theta, then z is 0. This point. So here, example first. Very easy one now it is. Example. Plot the point with cylindrical coordinate. Plot the point. You will not get plot the point with cylindrical coordinate 2, 2 pi by 3, 1, and find the rectangular coordinate. Find the rectangular coordinates. So what is the value? It is your r. Here r is equal to 2, theta is equal to 2 pi by 3, and z is equal to 1. Rectangular coordinate is your x, y, z. We know the value of x is equal to r cos theta. That is your 2 cos 2 pi by 3. So what is that value? Y is equal to r sin theta. That is your 2 sin 2 pi by 3. What is that value? You have to find out. And then your z is equal to 1. Okay? Find out your value quick. Yes, first one, x is equal to minus 1. 2 into 2 pi by 3, it is minus 1 by 2. So it is minus 1. Okay? So sin 2 pi by 3, it is 2 into root 3 by 2. So you will get it is root 3. And z is equal to 1. So rectangular coordinate we write down here. According to this, you check your answer from the multiple choice. It may be changed. The data may be changed. So it is your value, it is minus 1. Then it is your root 3 and 1. Okay? All of you clear? Next example is rectangular coordinate. It is given to you. You have to find out the figure. Figure like this, you can do it. Your figure. Here it is your figure. I'm doing here. Sketch, though it is given sketch. I'm doing, it is your z. It is your x. It is your y. So it is your 2 pi by the theta is given to you 2 pi by 3. So it is your like this. So here R is having the length 2. So from that point it is your parallel. Z is how much it is given to 1. So it is your value, it is 2 pi by 3 and 1. Like this, you have to draw your figure. This is your theta. Clear to all of you? It is clear?
Yes.
Now, rectangular coordinate it is given. Find out the cylindrical coordinate. Rectangular coordinate given, find out the cylindrical coordinate. Rectangular coordinate 3 minus 3 minus 7. 3 minus 3 minus 7. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 3, z is equal to minus 7. So r square is equal to x square plus y square. 18. This implies r is equal to r is equal to r is equal to कितने 3 into
3 root 2.
okay 9 into 2, so it is 3 root 2. Then tan theta is equal to y by x, that is your minus 3 by 3. So it is your tan theta is equal to
3 pi by 4.
first tell me it is in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant or not?
Huh?
Y by x. It is in the fourth quadrant. If it is in the fourth quadrant, the value of theta is equal to 2 pi minus pi by 4, because you will get it is your y by x 3 by 3 minus 1, absolute value it is 1, that is pi by 4. So you know it is very well how to find out. So it is 8 7 pi by 4. One value it is will get 7 pi by 4 plus minus 2 n pi. So I can say theta is equal to also minus pi by 4. Infinite, according to the value of n, we have infinite number of value of theta. So I can write down any one, you choose. See your multiple choice. Repeatedly I am telling to you what is the angle given and it is suitable for you or not. You check it and then you write down. So if I write down 7 pi by 4, yes, it is okay. Then if you put it is your by putting that n is equal to 1, then we get it is plus 2 pi. Then you can write down your, or if it is negative, then we can write down it is minus pi by 4. That is also okay. So here I can write down my value in polar coordinate, that is 3 root 3. I can write down 7 pi by 4 or also minus pi by 4 or any value. You find out by choosing the value of n. Then your z is equal to minus 7. Okay. So this is the way how to find out. Don't think you will get the same question. The question may be changed. So now here, in cylindrical coordinate, here also it is for the general bounded region type 1, type 2, type 3, and the domain, for the domain it is also for type 1 and type 2. Domain is your 2 type. So now I am writing the E in the case here. Evaluation of triple integral with cylindrical coordinate, how evaluate? This question is easy one and you may get by different value. Here, it is Z, it is X, it is Y. Then the surface may be here. It is your one surface. Here. And the projection of the surface that lies domain that lies on this your xy plane, that is your like this. My figure is not good. You see your figure from the group. So it is domain D, and it is your Z is equal to, first upper row portion is Z is equal to U2 xy, lower portion Z is equal to U1 xy, and for this here R is equal to, if you say go for the R, then we can write down our E is equal to x, y, z. That is x, y belongs to D. D means even it is type 1, type 2 for the domain. Then your U1 x, y less than equal to z is less than equal to U2 x, y. Here. The projection of the that is your surface is your domain that is lies in xy plane, and that D you can write down as r theta. If you convert it in the polar form, r theta, alpha is less than equal to theta is less than equal to beta, and also you know it is in when you convert it to the polar form, the domain, h1 theta is less than equal to r is less than equal to h2 theta. Okay, so here triple integration formula, triple integration, it is your type 1, type 2 may be here, and type 3 may be here. Your cylinder, that is cylindrical coordinate, may be here. It is your here, type 2 may be here, parallel to y-axis. It is parallel to z-axis. So here E x, y, z, dv, substitute d as alpha to beta, then the functional value for this r, h1 theta to h2 theta, then for the surface that is your u1 xy to u2 xy z, that is z is equal to, then your value function of, that is your r cos theta, r sin theta, as I say earlier in the last article triple integral, that is r cos theta, r sin theta, then z. Then here for the domain it is our r, dr d theta, dA is our domain dA into dz. So dA is our r dr d theta, and this is the value of dz. So I am writing here dz first, then dr d theta. This is the value for r, so I have written r, then d theta. Okay, so r dr d theta is your dA in polar coordinate. I'll explain in the next article, that is your it is 15.8 na. I'll explain you in 15.10 how I'm getting that r dr d theta. So it is your value alpha to beta, this value, so we'll get this value, then we integrate. So now similarly it is type 2 is your, type 3 is also, that is on the y, parallel to the y your surface lie. So type 3 is parallel to the x-axis, the surface lie. So according to this here, it is u1, u2, it will change. Okay, so now example. Example. Integration minus 2 to 2, then minus root over of 4 minus x square to root over of 4 minus x square. Then it is given root over of x square plus y square, means it is z is equal to 2. It is x square plus y square. Then it is given as dz, dy, dx. Okay. First it is for the surface, then for the plane, then for the line. So we write down E as, and the figure it is given to you in the question. This figure is like this. This cone, it is z is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2 upper limit, and z is equal to the lower one. It is for this surface. Z is equal to your root over of x square plus y square. Okay. And now see, root over of x square plus y square. Okay. Then here you see y is equal to root over of plane. For the plane region, xy plane, what is the region we have? Y is equal to 4 minus plus minus 4 minus x square. Y square is equal to 4 minus x square. So we get x square plus y square is, you can say it is less than equal to 4. Okay. For the disk, it is, I am writing, so it is less than equal to 4 for the disk. So it is our equation for the circle, is not it? It is our equation for the circle. If we convert it to the polar form, then it is very easy to solve. The domain, if we convert this domain here, x square plus y square is equal to the domain here on this is equal to 4, it is lie. So if we convert it to the polar form, then it is very easy. So what we get, z lies in between root over of x square plus y square to 2. Okay. And our value x square plus y square is less than equal to 4. So I can write down it is as E is equal to r theta z converted the cylindrical to rectangular coordinate to the cylindrical coordinate, r theta z. So the value of r lies from where to, theta lies from where to where? Tell me. On this domain, theta lies from where to where? Theta lies from where to where?
0 to 2.
Yes, 0 to 2 pi. Then R lies from where to where? R lies from where to where? Read it. Okay. And Z lies from where to where?
0 to 1.
1. This 2 na? 0 to 1. R to 2 or not? X square plus y square, I am considering R, so R square root over it is R to 2. Z is always positive, you see the figure. That is, you cannot say it is negative, so it is R to 2. Clear? It is clear? This line, how we convert? Don't think you will get the solution. You may get to write down like this. Question. You are getting your multiple choice. You are clear here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we write down triple integral. I can convert it like this. First, theta lies from 0 to 2 pi. Then r lies from 0 to 2. Then z lies from r to 2. Okay. Then it is given your value x square plus y square. That I can write down r square. It is then z, the value it is dz, so it is dz. Then r dr d theta, so it is r dr d theta. So I can write down r here and then I can solve. After this, you are able to do this problem or not? I am asking you. After this, you are able to do this problem or not? Integration, you are able to do or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you do. After this, now I'm coming to your exercise problem. Tomorrow I have to finish 15.9, 10, 16.1. If possible, I'll start 16.2. We have 2-period class. Otherwise, it is not possible to cover all the portion. So be cooperate with me. Here your answer, it is 16 pi by 5. It is present in your book. You can see and do it. Now, classwork program is here. Example 1, it is already done. Then exercise problem 3, 4. Easy. 3, 4, example 1. Last one. Assignment 129. Okay. Question number 3, 4. Question number 3. Bit A. Change the rectangular to cylindrical coordinate. Bit A, it is given as minus 1, 1, and 1. Quick. Change. Here it is given to you in the rectangular coordinate, converted to the cylindrical coordinate. Cylindrical coordinate. You are able to do or not? It is your x, y, z, and you have to convert it r, theta, z. What is the value of r? What is the value of r? R kete? I am audible?
Root 2.
Yes, it is root 2. Theta is equal to, already done, 10 inverse y by x. It is 1 by minus 1. In which quadrant it is?
We can take it. We can take the theta in second quadrant also, no?
Huh?
Second quadrant.
Theta is equal to, it is,
Minus 5 by 4.
yes, it is minus pi by 4. Okay, then your z is equal to 1. So we can write down it is our root 2 minus pi by 4, 1. B, quick. B it is given as minus 2, 2 root 3, 3. 2 root 3, 3. Do it. Minus 2, 2 root 3, 3.
Four comma minus 4
It is 4 comma
minus pi by 3
minus pi by 3 भी होगा, then 2 pi by 3 भी होगा.
and then 3.
Okay. Minus pi by 3, you are saying I am 2 pi by 3 I am saying. So you see your answer according to that, which choose, because we have for the value of theta we have infinite number for the value of n. So now then question number 4. Question number 4, it is given to you that yeah, same. 3 and 4 both are same. So it is a rectangular coordinate and you have to find out the cylinders. Okay. For a 2 root 3, then 2 minus 1. Same type of question over here. Okay. Two root 3, 2 minus 1. R is equal to
4. 4 pi by 6 and 3.
okay, you choose the value here, what is given in your question. Then B. It is yes. শুভনি রেখেছি।
Ma'am,
Yes.
4 comma 5 by 6 comma minus 1.
The minus. Minus 1 na? It is minus 1. Z is minus 1 na? Okay, now type. Kete? R is equal to. What is the value of R? R is equal to. I am audible?
5 comma
Yes.
minus n inverse 3 by 4 comma 2.
Minus 3 by 4.
Minus
10 inverse. Okay.
comma 2.
10 inverse minus 3 by 4. Okay. You can write down like this. Then it is 2. Okay. Now other two you do yourself. It is given your 1 and 29. 29, let me see. Yes, 29 is same as that your example. Only here, yes, the same example. Only it is given the functional value here xz, that much. So you can convert it to the polar form and you can easily solve the problem. 29. xz, you can convert x as r cos theta, z as it is, then you can solve your problem. Question number 29 is your, that is minus 2 to 2. Just I'm saying to you how to solve. Minus of root over of 4 minus y square, root over of 4 minus y square. So it is the x is equal to, then it is your value root over of x square plus y square to 2. Then it is given xz, dz, dx, dy. Okay. So dx, dy is our r. When you convert it to the polar form, r, dr, d theta. Okay. dz as it z, dz. We can convert it as x as writing r cos theta. Then it is your, I can write down, it is your r square, r, the value r to 2. And we can z lies from r to 2. Okay. And here it is your x square plus y square. So it is your x square plus y square is equal to 4. So your r lies from 0 to 2 and theta lies from 0 to 2 pi. You convert it like your example. You convert it and solve this problem. Here it is xy, use the function of xy. But here it is type 2. Domain is here using by the type 2 of the plane region. So it is 15.8 over. You see, so many short questions are here. You see that question. Question number 5, 6, 7, 8. You may get that type of multiple choice question. I don't know. But see. Okay, now it is time. 2 minutes. So next class will start triple integral in spherical coordinates. It is same as that cylindrical coordinate, but we have one more angle that is called as phi. I'll do 15.9, then 15.10, 16.1 and 2. I'll be solve everything. So any doubt here up to this? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Any doubt? To convert it rectangular or to solve your problem? Triple integral, always for the bounded region, always you go for the inner integral. U as the function of xy, or it is maybe on the function of yz, it may be the function of xz. And according to that, your plane region is, if u is the function of xy, then plane must be xy. If u is the function of yz, then plane must be yz. If u is the function of your zx, then plane must be your xz. According to your plane, then on that plane, you know type 1 and type 2. You write down your integral value. First you go for the functional value, then you go for the constant. Okay, like this you have to solve your triple integral. And if possible in cylindrical, spherical, you convert it to the domain as the polar form, then it is easy to solve. So now today I'm going to stop now. I'm going to stop now. Next class I'll start 15.9, 10, 10, 16. Thank you to you all.
Hey, this one. Hey, yo, no, it's a